Home window replacement for better insulation is one of the strongest upgrades for desert properties, especially when evaluating replacement windows for Anthem AZ desert homes, including slider windows Anthem options. In hot, dry climates, aging frames and worn seals can drive up cooling costs, make rooms feel uneven, and reduce overall comfort. Energy-efficient sliding windows Anthem AZ homeowners choose today are designed to improve thermal performance, reduce heat transfer, and support year-round efficiency without sacrificing natural light or airflow. Signs your sliding windows need replacement often show up long before a total failure. Common issues include sticking tracks, drafts, visible warping, broken balances, fogging between panes, and condensation issues in old sliding windows. If you notice rising energy bills, poor operation, or deteriorating seals, it may be time to consider old window replacement in Anthem Arizona neighborhoods before the problem affects insulation, security, and curb appeal. Residential sliding window replacement benefits extend beyond appearance, making them a practical choice for both performance and value, especially when evaluating slider windows Anthem upgrades. New slider windows can improve ventilation, allow easier operation, and create a cleaner modern look that complements residential properties. For homeowners comparing residential sliding window replacement Anthem AZ options, the right upgrade can also improve comfort, support energy savings from replacing old sliding windows, and increase long-term property appeal. How to replace residential sliding windows depends on the condition of the existing frame, the size of the opening, and whether a full frame solution is needed. Some projects can be handled through sliding window glass replacement versus full frame replacement, while others require a complete tear-out for a better seal and updated structure. For homes in Anthem, full frame window replacement Anthem Arizona residential projects are often recommended when older units have moisture damage, poor insulation, or failed frames that can't support a quality retrofit. Best materials for home slider window replacement usually include vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad systems, though vinyl slider window replacement for homeowners remains one of the most popular choices. Vinyl offers strong thermal performance, low maintenance, and durability in harsh sun exposure, making it ideal for affordable residential slider windows Anthem AZ. Many property owners also prefer vinyl because it works well for custom-sized sliding windows for homes and can be tailored to modern performance demands. Double-pane sliding window replacement options are especially valuable for noise control, insulation, and comfort. In neighborhoods where traffic, wind, or nearby activity can affect indoor quiet, noise reduction benefits of new sliding windows help create a calmer living environment. If you're comparing double-pane slider window replacement Anthem AZ systems, look for low-E glass, improved spacer technology, and weatherproof residential slider window upgrades that perform well in the Sonoran Desert. Single-hung versus slider window replacement comparison often comes down to airflow, convenience, and room layout. Sliding windows are ideal for wide openings and are considered among the best replacement windows for ventilation and airflow because they open smoothly and can provide a broad passage for fresh air. For many homeowners, modern sliding window designs for residential properties also offer a sleeker look than traditional single-hung units, while still maintaining easy use and practical performance. Cost factors for residential slider window replacement vary based on frame material, glass package, labor, custom sizing, and whether the job requires structural installation. The replacement window installation timeline for homes can range from a single day for smaller projects to multiple days for larger homes with custom openings or full frame work. Anthem AZ residential window installation estimates should include product quality, installation complexity, and warranty coverage so homeowners can compare value accurately. Residential sliding window replacement Anthem AZ services should always be handled by a licensed window replacement contractor Anthem Arizona homeowners can trust. Proper installation affects airtightness, smooth operation, and long-term durability, and choosing the right contractor is just as important as choosing the window itself. When reviewing residential window replacement contractor selection tips, look for local experience, clear communication, product knowledge, and a track record with sliding window replacement contractors in Anthem AZ. Best residential windows for Anthem AZ climate need to handle intense sun, heat, dust, and seasonal temperature swings. That's why weather-resistant slider windows Anthem Arizona homeowners install often include durable seals, insulated glass, and frames that resist warping. For enhanced performance, home energy efficiency window replacement Anthem AZ projects may also include secure locking systems for sliding windows, better weather stripping, and glass packages built to reduce UV exposure and improve indoor stability. Home window replacement services near Anthem AZ should also account for local style preferences and neighborhood aesthetics. Sliding window replacement for improved curb appeal can make a major difference in how a home looks from the street, especially when replacing outdated or mismatched units. In many cases, patio slider window replacement Anthem Arizona homes and slider window upgrade for Anthem AZ houses are chosen not only for function, but also to create a cleaner, more modern exterior that supports resale value and everyday satisfaction. Retrofitting old slider windows in homes can be a smart solution when the existing openings are still structurally sound. This approach can preserve interior finishes while updating performance, especially for homeowners looking for low-maintenance window replacement for sliding doors and nearby openings. If you're considering residential glass slider replacement Anthem AZ, custom sliding windows for homes in Anthem AZ, or new slider windows for homes in Anthem AZ, the best results usually come from selecting products that balance insulation, durability, and style for long-term use. Energy-efficient sliding windows Anthem AZ are a strong upgrade for desert homes because they help reduce heat transfer, improve indoor comfort, and lower utility costs. Homeowners comparing residential sliding window replacement benefits often want better insulation, improved curb appeal, and energy savings from replacing old sliding windows, especially in hot climates like Anthem Arizona. Double-pane sliding window replacement options and best materials for home slider window replacement can make a major difference in performance, while weather-resistant slider windows Anthem Arizona and best residential windows for Anthem AZ climate support long-term durability. Signs your sliding windows need replacement include drafts, sticking frames, visible warping, foggy glass, and condensation issues in old sliding windows. When windows no longer seal properly, home window replacement for better insulation becomes a priority, and sliding window glass replacement versus full-frame replacement should be evaluated carefully. In many Anthem AZ residential neighborhoods, old window replacement in Anthem Arizona neighborhoods is best handled by a licensed window replacement contractor Anthem Arizona, who can assess whether retrofitting old slider windows in homes or full-frame window replacement Anthem Arizona residential is the smarter investment. How to replace residential sliding windows depends on the condition of the existing frame, opening size, and desired performance features. Custom-sized sliding windows for homes are ideal when the opening is non-standard, while vinyl slider window replacement for homeowners remains one of the most popular choices for value, durability, and low-maintenance window replacement for sliding doors. Residential window replacement contractor selection tips should include checking for local experience, licensing, product warranties, and replacement window installation timeline for homes, especially when planning slider window installation in Anthem Arizona homes. Noise reduction benefits of new sliding windows can be significant for households near busy roads, and sound-reducing sliding windows Anthem Arizona are often paired with secure locking systems for sliding windows for added peace of mind. Modern sliding window designs for residential properties also provide cleaner lines, better operation, and stronger weather sealing. For homeowners comparing single-hung versus slider window replacement comparison, sliders often win for easier ventilation, best replacement windows for ventilation and airflow, and wider views in patio and living areas. Cost factors for residential slider window replacement usually include frame material, glass package, installation complexity, custom sizing, and whether the project involves residential glass slider replacement Anthem AZ or full unit replacement. Anthem AZ homeowners searching for affordable residential slider windows Anthem AZ residential window installation estimates, and sliding window replacement contractors in Anthem AZ should look for a top-rated window replacement company Anthem AZ that offers transparent pricing and reliable workmanship. Residential sliding window replacement. Anthem AZ is especially valuable when upgrading aging homes in need of energy-efficient sliding windows. Anthem AZ in-home energy efficiency window replacement. Anthem AZ residential sliding window replacement. Anthem AZ also improves curb appeal, ventilation, and long-term property value, especially with slider windows. Anthem solutions for home window replacement services near Anthem AZ, slider window installation and replacement. Anthem AZ, and custom sliding windows for homes in Anthem AZ. The best results come from a qualified residential slider window installer near Anthem AZ who understands replacement windows for Anthem AZ desert homes. Whether you need patio slider window replacement. Anthem Arizona homes, double pane slider window replacement. Anthem AZ, or vinyl slider window replacement. Anthem Arizona, the right upgrade can transform comfort, style, and performance.